Blabina. Wow. Hi, I am Blabina.
Hi, Blabina. I'm Giraffe.
Giraffe. Yellow. Brown. Where's the giraffe? Oh! Wow! Giraffes are the tallest animal on earth. That's because of their neck. My neck isn't that long. Shall I stretch it? It doesn't stretch. It's quite short. But look, they can eat all the way up on the top of the tree. That's amazing. And they are color yellow and brown. Yay! Yellow and brown. Look what's happening. Their neck is very, very long, but it's not long enough to drink water. So what they have to do, they have to put their feet apart like this and then bend down. And that's how they drink. Can you drink like a giraffe? Yeah! Giraffe. Giraffe. Excuse me, who is eating my plant?
It's me, Giraffe. I was very, very hungry.
Oh, you were hungry. Okay, but only a little. Dinner is almost ready, okay?
Okay.
Now it's your turn to make your own giraffe. It can be really, 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 really tall or really, really short. Whatever you want. Don't forget, you are smart, you are amazing, and you can do anything. See you next time. Blah, blah, blabina. Blah, blah, blabina. Blah, 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 blabina. Blah, blah, blabina. Blabina. Dear grown-ups, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I would love to hear from you. Bye!